In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search app to your Weebly site in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Weebly website. Whether you're starting from scratch or already have a site, Weebly is your go-to for easy website building. Once you're there, proceed to log in with your email and password. If you're new to Weebly and haven't made an account yet, you'll want to register first, but in this case we assume you've already done that. Go ahead and click on the login button to access your dashboard. From your dashboard, you'll be able to manage all of your Weebly hosted sites. Your next step is to find the overview section. This is typically where you have an overview of your entire site setup. Once you're there, look for Edit Site and click it. By doing this, you're entering the editing mode where you can make changes to the structure and content of your site. This is a handy feature because it allows you to preview everything in real time before you commit to any changes. Now that you're in the site editor, direct your attention to the Build tab, which is where you'll be conducting most of the customization for your site. Click on Build, and this is where you will find the various elements you can add to your page. If your option is not immediately visible, don't worry. Simply click on Show All Elements to display a full list of options. This is where the magic happens. You can see all sorts of options to enhance your content presentation. Look through these elements until you find the search box. Once you've found it, click and drag it to the desired place on your web page. Your Weebly site design editor usually provides you with a snap grid, making it significantly easier to position elements precisely where you want them to go. By placing it strategically, you ensure that your visitors can access the search feature of your site intuitively. After you've placed the search box, click on it one more time to adjust and fine-tune. Each element on Weebly has customizable settings, so you can tweak the appearance and function to suit your needs. Once all the adjustments are to your satisfaction, you've successfully added a search function to your website, enabling your visitors to navigate your site more easily. Congratulations, your search app is now added, providing a valuable tool for site navigation.